Ampnet Solar, amplified, nature's energy transformed. Energy's permission for all life to thrive on Earth, equips Ampnet Solar with the vision of being the luminary and leading team to illuminate and bring power to the world through the necessity of electricity, as well as providing the skilled means of transforming raw energy through the use of solar technology. We are dedicated to preserving Ampnet Solar's valued reputation through the development, implementation and maintenance of first-rate quality control, and the quality assurance measures which comply with the national and international standards of the industry.